Channel. In this video I will teach you how to look at stickers on the TikTok. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and then log into your account. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on this plus icon in the middle, and now you have to record something, or you can simply upload something from your gallery. So I simply record a clip right here. Okay, once you will do that, simply you have to click on the stick icon. Now here you will see sticker option on the third one, just click on it, and here you will see different stickers. So you can select any sticker, or you can simply search any sticker of your choice by entering here. So select any sticker from here. So this is the way to look at stickers on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.